Hi everyone, my name is John and I'm here with you, the simplified PAYE calculator. This is an updated version to include the Income Tax Amendment Act 2023 Act 1094, and the changes has to do with the rate as well as the limit for the vehicle. So it's all been included in this model to automatically calculate everything for you. And there's been additional features for you to get a reporting interface, to get to know the total employee expense as well as the SNIT payment and then the income tax. So there is additional column at this side to choose the month at which you are reporting, and then here you go to the relief section to fill in the reliefs that are applicable to the employee. So we have here we have marriage. You select marriage responsibility, you select yes or no. We have the child education, the limit is 3, so you select 1 up to 3, assuming we have here 2. And then the disability relief, you select yes or no. The old age relief, you select yes or no. The age dependency, you select 1 or 0 to 2. And then the educational relief, you select yes or no. And then we have the SNIT portion, you select yes or no. And then the provident fund, you put in the rates over there. So after you are done with everything, the total reliefs applicable to the particular employee is summed at this column. Now going back, we have our total cash emolument, and then if you have a rent element, you select it over here, whether a driver and car, car and fuel, whether car and fuel only, whether car only, whether fuel only, you select it over here, and then you see it affects the income tax as well as the net salary. And then the accommodation element, you select whether it is furnished accommodation, accommodation only, furnishing only, or shared accommodation, or none. Then you select it over here. And then where there is additional non-value cash benefits, you add them over here as well. Now we have the tax schedule, which is a database of all the payee schedules from 2013 up to 2023, which is 11 years period. Now the final part is the reporting interface. Here it gives you it's a form of payroll itself. So assuming since we selected May in a calculation, when we want to generate the report, we select the month, which is going to be May, and then we click on the generate button. Yes, here we click on the yes, so it automatically brings in the report over here, and then it gives a summary at the top. We have our basic salary 10,000, and then no allowance, no bonus, no overtime, our SNIT, and then income tax. So here it gives us the summary. Here the petra is 500, the SNIT is 1350, and then there should be a portion for provident fund, which is 0. We selected 0, so we have 0 over here. So thank you for watching. If you want a copy of this file, just send me hi. Have a good day. Bye.